We don't have cooking spray, so we're going to do it a different way and pour a little bit of oil in each pan and then wipe it around with a little napkin. That way they get oiled, but and now that's all set. Okay, first thing we need is flour, a half of a cup. Got a level up there. Next we'll need a half a cup of cornstarch. Next is sugar. And we need a fourth of a cup of sugar. Next is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And since I'm using a half a teaspoon, I gotta use 2 of them. Next, salt. Half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, next is the egg. So I'll mix the dry ingredients first. Gotta mix it all till it's one uniform color and there's no lumps. Looks pretty good, so I'll get the egg and milk. Crack the egg into a bowl and whip the egg. So you gotta break the yolk and mix it all together. Looks good. So we're gonna pour that in there. Mix that up. Next we'll need milk and oil. I need 1/2 cup of milk. And 2 tablespoons of oil. Try to get out as much lumps as possible. You want it to be smooth. Otherwise it doesn't cook all correctly. So now we need to put the mix in the muffin pans until each one is 2/3 of the way full. Next, we're going to put the hot dogs in the center. Just like that. Alright, then we just have to wait for our oven to preheat. Now that the oven's preheated, we can stick this in. Check them out. Alright, they're done, so they're ready to pull out of the oven. Stick it on here. Let them cool for a little bit. Make sure to shut the oven off.